Embark on an adventure beyond Dubrovnik's famous sights to uncover its hidden gems. From secluded fortresses with breathtaking views to charming alleys steeped in local culture, each discovery promises excitement and wonder. Join us as we unveil the city's secrets, igniting your imagination and leaving you with unforgettable memories. Get ready to explore Dubrovnik's hidden treasures and embark on a journey of discovery like no other. And stay tuned until the end of the video, where we'll be sharing a valuable insider tip that will elevate your Dubrovnik experience. Dubrovnik, often called the Pearl of the Adriatic, is a city rich in history, culture, and natural beauty. Here are the top 10 hidden treasures you shouldn't miss. Number 10. Dubrovnik's hidden rooftop bars. Dubrovnik's rooftops unveil a realm where time pauses, sharing the city's secrets. Climbing ancient staircases echoes with laughter, leading to breathtaking vistas. Below, terracotta rooftops form a mosaic of history, while the Adriatic Sea beckons exploration. Islands in the distance promise adventures. Amidst this enchantment, find solace from the bustling streets. Conversations blend with seagulls' cries as you settle, drink in hand. Dubrovnik's embrace surrounds you, its beauty captivating. As the sun sets, painting the sky, realize the magic of this moment. It's more than a drink on a rooftop. It's delving into Dubrovnik's heart, discovering hidden wonders. Raising your glass, toast to the city's beauty, knowing you've found something truly extraordinary. Number 9. Ethnographic Museum Roop. A journey through Dubrovnik's cultural heritage. Housed in a former granary, it's a portal to the past, showcasing the lives and traditions of Dubrovnik's people. Marvel at traditional crafts like lacework and ceramics, each telling stories of skill passed down through generations. Explore folk costumes where every stitch reflects Dubrovnik's identity. Engage with interactive exhibits, trying traditional crafts or experiencing a recreated kitchen. Delve into history, gaining appreciation for Dubrovnik's customs. Whether a history buff or a curious traveler, the museum promises an unforgettable journey through Dubrovnik's soul. Number 8. St. Jacob's Beach. Tucked away from the bustling crowds, St. Jacob's Beach holds more than just serene shores and crystal-clear waters. Legend has it that hidden within the ancient cliffs surrounding this secluded haven lie the whispers of forgotten tales and mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Dare to venture beyond the pebbled shores and you might stumble upon the remnants of a long-lost civilization hinted at by the weathered stones peeking through the sand. Some say these stones hold the key to an ancient treasure, while others whisper of ghostly apparitions wandering the cliffs at dusk. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting an ethereal glow upon the tranquil waters, the beach seems to come alive with the echoes of bygone eras. Keep your senses sharp, for who knows what secrets lie beneath the surface of this idyllic retreat. Embrace the allure of St. Jacob's Beach, where every ripple in the tide tells a story, and every seashell holds a secret waiting to be discovered. Number 7. Dubrovnik Cable Car. Embark on a journey with the Dubrovnik Cable Car, transcending the ordinary to soar above terracotta rooftops and azure waters. As you ascend Mount Serd, the cityscape transforms into a natural masterpiece. Lokrum and the Elafidi Islands emerge like jewels in the Adriatic's golden sunset. Yet it's the sensation of being suspended between heaven and earth that captivates, where time slows and worries dissipate. At the summit, the viewing platform unveils a spectacle beyond imagination. Witness the sun's vibrant colors painting the sky as day turns to night, revealing Dubrovnik's essence. It's a tapestry of history and beauty woven into time. For those seeking a transformative sensory experience, the Dubrovnik Cable Car offers passage to a realm where dreams take flight and memories endure forever. Number 6. Kavtat. A charming town full of history and beauty. Here, time moves slowly and every corner holds a story from the past. Take a leisurely stroll through Kavtat's narrow streets, where you'll find the Rector's Palace, a historic building that tells tales of Kavtat's past rulers. The town's layout may seem like a maze, but each turn reveals something new and interesting. Kavtat isn't just about history, it's also about finding peace and quiet. Relax on its lovely beaches where the sound of waves offers a soothing escape from the busy world. In Kavtat, you can take a break from the hustle and bustle of Dubrovnik. Life here is calmer, allowing you to enjoy moments of reflection and serenity amidst nature's beauty and friendly locals. So consider visiting Kavtat for a tranquil getaway. Explore its hidden gems, watch the sunset paint the sky, and create memories that will last a lifetime in this coastal paradise. Though hitting the like button is a matter of favor and not doing so is your right, the editor works tirelessly day and night on this creation, and a little appreciation goes a long way. Thank you very much. Number 5. Trsteno Arboretum. Trsteno Arboretum, located not far from Dubrovnik, beckons you to discover its secrets. This verdant oasis, nestled along the Adriatic coast, is a repository of centuries-old natural beauty and historical significance. Meander along its tranquil pathways, enveloped by the presence of ancient trees and the sweet fragrance of blooming flowers. Here, you'll be transported to a timeless realm where each leaf carries echoes of the past. More than just a botanical garden, the Arboretum seamlessly integrates nature with history. Marvel at the elegant Baroque structures scattered throughout, a testament to the skilled artisans of yesteryears. Take a moment to absorb the breathtaking vistas of the Adriatic Sea from various viewpoints within the Arboretum. It's a serene retreat where you can immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature and find inspiration in its beauty. Don't let the opportunity pass to explore Trsteno Arboretum. It's a hidden paradise where every step reveals something new, offering a harmonious blend of natural wonders and historical charm. Number 4. Croatian War of Independence Museum. Perched atop Mount Srd, Fort Imperial stands as a sentinel of Dubrovnik's past and a guardian of its resilience. Within lies the Croatian War of Independence Museum, offering a poignant glimpse into recent history. Journey through time amidst echoes of conflict, witnessing Dubrovnik's spirit in adversity. Explore relics and haunting exhibits, encountering stories of courage and sacrifice. Each artifact testifies to human strength in turmoil. The museum, though lesser known, provides a sobering yet enlightening experience. It's a living monument to Dubrovnik's enduring spirit and the power of hope. Venture beyond, discover the fortress of memories atop Mount Srd. In this sanctuary, find inspiration in the triumph of the human spirit and a deeper appreciation for Dubrovnik's resilience. Number 3. Lokrum Island. Embark on a voyage to Lokrum Island, a tranquil sanctuary just a ferry ride away from Dubrovnik's old town. Lose yourself in lush botanical gardens where exotic flora intertwines with ancient ruins hinting at past civilizations. Explore hidden coves and swim in the rejuvenating waters of the Dead Sea. As you immerse yourself in Lokrum's untouched landscapes, feel liberated from worldly cares by the sea breeze. Every moment becomes a cherished memory in this timeless beauty, where nature's wonders await exploration. Heed Lokrum's call for adventure and tranquility, finding sanctuary for the soul and haven for the imagination amidst its enchanting oasis. Number 2. Buza Bar is a fantastic place on the cliffs of Dubrovnik, great for adventurers and anyone seeking something unique. It's away from the busy city streets and offers more than just drinks. It's a wonderful spot to soak in nature's beauty. Getting there is part of the adventure. You'll follow winding paths until you reach the open terrace right on the edge of the cliff. From there, you'll enjoy breathtaking views of the Adriatic Sea and Lokrum Island. It's so stunning that time seems to slow down and all your worries fade away. They serve delicious cocktails, especially as the sun sets and paints the sky with vibrant colors. It's incredibly relaxing and helps you appreciate the beauty around you even more. But Buza Bar isn't just about the drinks, it's about the whole experience. You can feel the gentle breeze on your skin as you sit on the terrace, listening to the waves crashing below. It's like having your own paradise surrounded by nature's splendor, and every moment feels magical. So if you're looking to escape the ordinary and try something extraordinary, Buza Bar is the place to be. It's a hidden gem where you can unwind, soak up nature, and create unforgettable memories. Number 1. Fort Lavrianek, offering history and breathtaking views away from the crowds. Nestled beyond the city walls, it provides panoramic vistas of the Adriatic Sea and Old Town, a sanctuary of tranquility. As you ascend its weathered steps, anticipation builds until you reach its pinnacle, greeted by scenes that transcend imagination. The azure waters stretch out before you, while terracotta rooftops charm from afar. Beyond the views, discover a sense of wonder amidst whispered tales of centuries past. In this hidden gem, find solace for the soul and inspiration for the mind. Venture beyond the beaten path to uncover treasures at Fort Lavrianek, where history and beauty converge, offering enchantment and memories waiting to be made. These hidden gems will allow you to experience Dubrovnik beyond its well-known attractions, providing a deeper understanding of its culture, history, and natural beauty. Still watching? Well, here's a valuable tip for you. Remember, one valuable tip for exploring Dubrovnik is to visit popular attractions early in the morning or later in the evening to avoid the crowds. Additionally, consider purchasing a Dubrovnik card, which provides access to multiple attractions and public transportation, saving both time and money. If you've enjoyed this exploration, be sure to check out another exciting video in our collection. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a hiking aficionado, or simply seeking a virtual escape, there's always more to explore together. Your support fuels the exploration, and I look forward to sharing many more incredible moments with you. Which place are you most excited to visit? Or do you have a favorite spot in Dubrovnik, Croatia that wasn't mentioned? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour in unveiling hidden treasures of Dubrovnik, Croatia, be sure to subscribe and like to Travel Owl for more travel inspiration, tips, and adventures from around the globe. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and embrace the beauty of our world.